and welcome back to the one and only my channel. Today I have a story time for you guys. Some of you guys, a lot of you guys were asking me to do a story time because I mentioned in my last video that I was thinking about doing them. However, I am not the best storyteller. I actually have terrible reviews about my storytelling. You can ask anyone who knows me personally. It might take a normal person about 5 minutes, but it takes me about an hour because I believe in character development, suspense, climax, rising action, all that stuff. I'm just gonna start getting to it and start filming the look because it is Ariana Grande inspired. She dropped an album recently, so I actually do like a few songs from there. I also bought this cool little headband that reminds me of her. Let's just get right into it. Of course, I'm gonna start off by using my Pond's moisturizer. And again, much like my other videos, please excuse my nails. I still have yet to do them. I've been waiting for you guys to just suggest some stuff for me to do and to film a video, and I haven't had enough time to do both, so bear with me. You'd like the great YouTuber that I am. Just kidding. I have footage and everything for y'all, so let's get ready for an exciting video. I was in the dorm stressed out with my roomie. Now I'm in the bed stressed out because it's roomie. I'm just kidding. So yeah, I was in my dorm room in college, and we were bored one night, up way later than we should have been, and we hear on the radio Ariana Grande is coming to Las Vegas, and they're over here giving away some free tickets. So me and my other friend, we don't really talk anymore, but we'll just say friend, acquaintance, we thought, let's try for these tickets because, you know, you never know. The worst that can happen is we don't win, which it happens, or we do win, which is going to be great. You know, okay, go ahead and try for the, make sure your caller number, what was it, 98, I think, 97, something. We tried one time, we failed, we didn't get it. Then we tried again, this other bitch got it. Then it was the third time, and it's about, I would say around midnight, which if you guys need to know, or if you guys want to know, midnight and like anything past 9 p.m. when people are starting to go to bed and not really in their car, listening to the radio is the best time to start calling to win stuff on the radio. Anybody's mom would know this because, back in the day, that's how people would win a lot of stuff. Trust me, ask your mom. And finally on my phone, they answered and they were like, okay, can we please put you on hold? You're actually calling number 97. Hold on 1 second so we can record you and da-da-da-da. I get on hold and we're over here. We're like, yes, we won! We won! I'm like, dang, okay, we win. And they put us on hold, and then they were like, yeah, we're gonna get your information, and then we'll let you know when the tickets are ready for pickup. Mind you, the concert is literally gonna be like the night, I think, after. Like, it was literally gonna be the following night. Like, I didn't really believe it. I'm like, there's gonna be a catch, there's gonna be a catch. There was no catch. We showed up to the radio station, and they did give me the tickets right away. They gave us the tickets right away. We won them. They said, okay, we'll see you soon, because they're also gonna be there. The host, the radio host, they were gonna go and everything. So we're like, cool, yes, we got some tickets. I was super excited to go to a concert. At the time, did I know every single one of Ariana Grande's songs that she was on tour for? No, but I knew enough. Fast forward to that day, that same friend, he was like, oh, I have some other friends that are also, going. They didn't win tickets like we did, but they were going. So we're planning on meeting up with them at their apartments, and then we're gonna drive to the concert or Uber to the concert, which would be cheaper. Obviously, we're already some cheapskates because we won tickets, we didn't pay for them. It's my first time I ever won anything on the radio, and long and behold, it was like some super expensive Ariana Grande tickets. So I was extremely grateful. Like, I'm just happy to be here. I'm getting off cue for the concert, in the off chance that I don't know, because honestly, like, I didn't even know what the heck was gonna happen. We looked at our tickets. We got like some decent tickets in the side bottom close to the railing. I'll show you guys like a little picture, a little video of us in the first seats that we were at. Mind you, if you've never been to a concert, it gets pretty crazy once you're actually in there. I've had a lot of like concert mishaps where like people steal my seats because if you get there a little late, or if like people aren't paying attention and they don't like pay attention to their seating, then it's a whole big thing. You have to fight with them because they're in your seats. We did pregame before. The concert was at the MGM. It was like on the strip, like in Las Vegas, so that just adds fuel to the fire. We were super excited. And yeah, we get in the Uber. Okay, I'm looking cute. I'm looking cute. And yeah, I'm like ready. I'm ready for Rumble. I'm gonna go ahead and bake with my Airspun. By the way, you guys, I literally did the same foundation routine that I always do. I am probably going to film like an updated foundation routine or something because I literally do this in every video. And as soon as I do a routine video like that, like going the contour and everything, I'll start cutting it out of my videos, but sometimes I'll still do it. We need that watch time over here. Yeah, let's get on with the story. You guys like my headband? Like I said, I was feeling Ariana Grande vibes, so yeah. All right, now that we got that baking, we're gonna go ahead and let that bake while I do the eyes. I already primed with my white foundation that I also use to prime always, you guys, the LA Girl Pro white mixing foundation, if you're wondering. I'm gonna go in with the palette that I just used in my last video too, the 350X. I'm really liking it. It's also very pink vibes, which means, you know, it's super easy for the Ariana Grande vibes. Start by adding a light crease color with my fluffy eye brush. It's just like a blender fluffy eye brush. Use whatever fluffy blender eye brush you like. So I'm gonna go in with Just Friends because that's what we all were that night. We were all just friends. Little background on that night, like I mentioned. These were my acquaintances' friends. So the person who I won the tickets with, these were his friends. I had no idea who they were, did not know who they were from before that night. Sorry about the background noise, you guys. This is just like being a loud ass girl in the other room next door. So I literally didn't know any of these people who I was about to have one of the best nights of my life with. But it's okay because those are the best memories, is with people you barely know. But we were all cute. We seemed like we knew each other our entire lives. But yeah, we were all just vibing that night. We, like I said, pre-gamed. Fast forward to once we get to the MGM, okay, we are arriving perfectly on time, and that's a new one for me because I'm always late to concerts. I've even forgotten my tickets as I was already in like the concert. Like we are gonna blend it out even more. Fluffier brush that has nothing on it. I'm just gonna really blend this out. Let me fix my posture because I already feel my leg back going out. Make sure it's blent out. The opening act was not Fifth Harmony. What was the other group that was on X Factor? She married Zayn, my baby daddy. Damn, I don't even remember. Who are these people? And to build up your crease, oh my gosh. Well, I'll think about it and then I'll have it. Oh, Little Mix. I was thinking of Minx. Little Mix was the opening act. I'm gonna be taking the color Touchy Feely mixed with Talking Feelings. I'm mixing them both because one is a little bit brighter than the other. I'm going to also apply that into my crease, but a little bit lower, and we're not gonna blend as much this time. And just go ahead and like slightly start winging it out a little bit, like you see right there. Make sure it's with this brighter color, not with that darker color that we had earlier, which was Just Friends. Okay, so make sure you're doing that. Wing that shit out. Make sure it's extended right there. Not too much, but just enough. Now I'm just gonna go back in with that smaller blending brush that we had at first. And just slightly blend it, but like just the edges, just to make sure they're not like, it's not like super harsh. Perfect, you see right there? Perfect. Applying, I still have some of that white foundation on my hand, so I'm just gonna take some of that with a flat synthetic shader brush. And I'm going to be carving out this thing right here. Okay? So I have hooded eyes, so make sure you do that correctly. Like, make sure you get all up in there. Sorry y'all, this is like my first time attempting this. Sorry y'all, it cut off. But all I did was just do that, which is the cut crease. Yeah, cut crease, that's the word I was looking for. On my eyelids, is take a smaller, it almost is like a lip brush or a gel liner brush. And we're gonna start winging. Okay, we're gonna wing this out. And connect it, okay? Nice and easy. Nice and easy. We actually finessed our way down a few seats. I know. We didn't start there, but you know, let's shh. Please don't tell the feds. We finesse and we get down. We eventually make it front row, bitches. We're like literally seeing Ariana Grande concert for free, front row. If you don't believe me, here's the footage. We were having such a good time. We were so zooted and just enjoying ourselves. It was literally one of the best nights ever. And I was looking so cute too. Which she also did a great job. I was so impressed by her vocals, even though I don't know why, because she's such a good singer. But now I'm gonna take a flat shader brush, like a super dense little flat shader brush. Also make sure there's nothing on it. There's not a lot of shit on it. Make sure there's nothing on it. And then I'm gonna take the next color, which is Eye Contact. I'm gonna start packing this onto my lid. I'm just gonna start applying this onto my lid. If you have a pink blush, a bright pink blush, because you don't have this palette, it should also work just the same. As long as it's pigmented, you should be good. So the concert happened. She did a great job. Like I said, her outfits were super cute. She was on a little bike and everything. Now it's like the end of it, okay? We're leaving. We're about to leave. But for some reason, someone in our group was like, no, wait, let's wait till the end. I'm like, bitch, this is the end. So he's like, no, you gotta wait till everything's done. You never know. What if they just come out here and start walking? So long and behold, they do. So we see Frankie. I didn't get a chance to film him, but we had seen Frankie. We actually seen him earlier in the concert because he was actually like, not front row, but he was like somewhere in there. He was like with someone, like kind of like hanging out on the seats. I don't know what, but he was there. So we seen him. And then we seen her mama, which is a showstopper, okay? Now I didn't get everything on video because I was so excited and so like nervous. Have
a great night, folks.
When I did meet her, our friend hugged her and everything. I told her that I liked her lipstick and we had a little combo. She was like, thank you so much. How'd you guys like it? She did great, huh? Thank you so much for supporting my daughter. She was so sweet, so nice. Literally, like, it seemed like she knew us and she didn't even know us. She was just being so nice.
Good night, folks.
Yeah, you look so good. Love it.
So it was such a great encounter. I was just so grateful for the entire night. Okay, so eyebrows are nice and juicy now. Balaji Cosmetics lash applications, and I'm using these 3D lashes. They're just like the doll looking ones because they look the most similar to hers. Balaji Cosmetic Everlasting Lash Glue. Go ahead and apply these lashes on. So give me a second. I also contoured. You guys didn't see that part, but I have a video on it. So make sure you just look at the link above. Bronze my face, and what else did I do? That's it for now. So let me just pop these on. Okay, lashes are on. If the inner corners are looking a little funky, I apologize. I don't know why this is happening today, but we're gonna move forward. But lashes are on. So now, where was I? Oh yes, so here we are where we met Miss Grande, Mama Grande. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe off my bake now. We met Miss Grande and we just had a nice little chat. Okay, we asked her what's the secret to life. She said make sure you kill your first husband. I'm just kidding, you guys, she didn't say that. She said we looked very cute. I complimented her lipstick and she complimented mine. Okay, she asked me where it was from. I said something extremely cheap because it was truth, and she looked at me like, oh wow, I didn't know that. So you're welcome, BH Cosmetics. Eventually hugged her. And it was just such a down-to-earth moment. So nice of them. I'm gonna go ahead and blend out everything else just because like my nose is looking kind of crazy. But I'm gonna do this like way that you're not supposed to, this way, because I want it to look clumpy, because that's that look. Okay. Go ahead and apply some blush from my, you already know, Tarte blush thingamabobber. I'm gonna apply the lightest pink color, which is the biggest color, right down here. Or right down here, right up here on my cheeks. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. Okie dokie. I'm gonna be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette again. Just the color Crushed Pearl, because I want that very, very, very bright glow. But yeah, anyways, on to the rest of the night because there's more. Once the concert was over, we were super, super hungry. So we decided to go to the Taco Bell that's on the strip. And we went and it was so good. Like, that Taco Bell is like way better than any other Taco Bell I've ever been to. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Model Co cream highlight on my cheeks because that just does it every time. Every time. Hello? One of the other things that happened that night was we happened to end up at a tattoo shop and I got a tattoo of Ariana Grande on my butt. I'm just kidding, that didn't happen. But one of the people in our group, he decided to get a cute tattoo on his arm. They're from like Arizona or something, so they weren't from here, so they were going all out and doing crazy stuff. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and go in with some lip liner. You guys already know my favorite lip liner. It's brown to use. I'm gonna create a pout look to mimic her little cutesy look. Which you guys have already seen countless times already. So if you've already seen a video, that's what I'm doing. That's basically the whole night though. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to catch you guys next time.